Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Thursday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 6th of June 2024. US Dow Jones rose 0.25%, settling the day at 38,807.33 while Nasdaq ended the session at 17,186.38, rising 1.95%. In Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 38,980.52 and Hang Seng is trading at 18,653.93. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 22,674.50, indicating a gap-up start for the Indian market. FII sold 5,656.26 in the cash market in the last trading session. The market regulator has issued guidelines that make it easier for FPIs to deal with their securities holdings after their FPI registration has expired. NSE created a world record and handled the highest number of transactions in a single trading day yesterday. BHEL gets 3,500 rupees crore order from Adani Power. The company secured the order for the establishment of 1,600 megawatt thermal power plant at Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Now talking about global aspects, Nvidia tops $3 trillion in value, leapfrogging past Apple. The S&P Global US Services PMI was confirmed at 54.8 in May. US private sector employment increased by 152,000 jobs in May. Stocks of crude oil in the United States rose by 1.233 million barrels in the week ending May 31, 2024, compared with market consensus of a 2.30 million barrels decline. WTI climbed 0.1% to $72.98 a barrel, while Brent rose 0.1% to $77.44 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 104.05. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.29%. Here is a recap of Wednesday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices experienced a robust rebound from their lower range, driven by positive sentiment surrounding the likely establishment of Modi 3.0, despite a competitive victory. The market may continue to exhibit volatility until there is clarity on the cabinet and key portfolios. Key indices, Sensex and Nifty, gained over 3%, closing the day on a firm note at 74,382.24 and 22,620.35, respectively. Overall, the sectoral landscape remains positive. Outlook for the day. The Nifty index has been trading within a broadening channel, encountering resistance at the key psychological level of 23,000. On the downside, it finds short-term support in the 22,200 to 22,000 range. Market behavior suggests that selling pressure is likely at higher levels while buying interest is anticipated around the 22,000 mark. The Bank Nifty has faced strong resistance near the 50,000 level. A breakout above key psychological levels can lead prices toward the target of 51,000. The short-term support stands at 47,000, while immediate support is likely to place at 48,000. Stocks on radar are Marico, Concor, Metropolis, Godrej Consumer Products. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.